And with so many Black Friday promotions, I almost let this one buy, and one of the subscribers just sent me a message saying, "Hey Robert, I did purchase this battery and I had this for free," which I will show in just a moment. Now this is great for those that are looking to install a small solar system with battery where we can connect solar panels, or we can take advantage of other solar systems that we already have. This is the Deye Modular battery. We can connect solar panels up to 2400 watts. The battery has a capacity of 2 kilowatt hour, but we can add up to 4 modules up to a maximum total capacity of 10 kilowatt hour. It's portable. We just need to unplug it and take anywhere to have a picnic. For example, it supports zero injection in the grid. It performs AC coupling, so we can add to existing systems without a battery, and includes a wireless LoRa meter, which allows you to place the battery anywhere in your home without the need to keep it near to the electrical panel. And that was exactly what caught my attention, because if we go to the official Deye website, which I've got right over here, we can see that the Deye Wireless CT, which is the smart meter right over here, costs roughly 99 euros. But if we move up, we can see that the kit that includes the Deye balcony power plant, which is this unit right over here, is the main unit, plus the smart CT costs 699, which means that the wireless CT, which at this moment it's not here, it's on my circuit breaker, is free for those that will purchase this kit. Now, I'm not really sure when this campaign will be over. I did miss it for a few days. I just received a message from a subscriber, but we can see that the difference is 100 euros, which is awesome for those that really need this and the wireless CT. Now, the usual price is 699 without the wireless CT, only with the normal CT that we will connect right over here, and then with the wire will go to our circuit breaker, which means that this will need to be close to the circuit breaker. So for those that don't need the wireless CT, the promotion is not that. But for those that want to place the battery somewhere and then the wireless CT on the circuit breaker, which can be far away, then this is really awesome. And even if we take a look at the prices for the expansion battery, so if you want 4 kilowatt hour of capacity, you just need to have one of these. So this one plus this one, which is roughly more or less 1000 years for 4 kilowatt hour of capacity. If we compare this to a traditional system like I do have at home with solar panels on my roof and a big system with a bigger capacity, 15 kilowatt hour, then this will be a bit on the expensive side, but it is a portable system. And when we compare this kind of system with other portable systems, this is, as far as my knowledge goes, one of the cheapest systems that I've used, but one of the cheapest systems that I'm aware. We have been using for about 3 months. I've been doing all sorts of tests, including AC coupling, connecting PV panels and AC coupling as well. I will leave some links down below so that you can check it out. But today I just wanted to call your attention to something that might be a really nice deal for those that are looking for this unit and need the wireless CT. That being said, hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.